Hello and welcome back to Wheeloscopy. Today we are going to explore something truly massive, luxurious, and built like a machine from the future. The officially unveiled 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome is not just a motorhome. It is a rolling mansion designed for people who want to travel the world without leaving luxury behind. At first glance, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome looks more like a futuristic expedition truck than a traditional RV. Built on a heavy-duty Scania 6x6 chassis, this motorhome is designed to go almost anywhere, from highways to deserts, mountains, forests, and extreme off-road environments. The ground clearance is massive, the body structure is reinforced, and the double-decker design makes it one of the largest and most luxurious motorhomes ever built. The exterior design is bold and modern, featuring sharp LED headlights, a huge panoramic windshield, aerodynamic body panels, and multiple storage compartments built into the sides. The six-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction on rough terrain, while the heavy-duty suspension keeps the ride smooth even on uneven surfaces. This motorhome is clearly built for long-distance expedition travel and luxury adventure living. Inside is where things become truly incredible. The lower deck is designed as a luxury living space with a large lounge area, premium leather sofas, a smart entertainment system, a dining area, and a fully equipped modern kitchen. The kitchen includes a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, sink, and plenty of storage cabinets. The interior design feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. There is also a luxury bathroom on the lower floor featuring a full-size shower, modern sink, mirror lighting, and a smart toilet system. High-quality materials like wood panels, ambient LED lighting, soft carpets, and metallic accents make the interior feel premium and comfortable for long trips. The upper deck is dedicated to sleeping and relaxation. It includes a master bedroom with a large bed, side windows for panoramic views, storage wardrobes, and a private seating area. Some versions also include a second bedroom or workspace area, making this motorhome perfect for families or people who work while traveling. Technology is another major highlight of the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome. It comes with a smart control system that allows you to control lighting, climate, water systems, entertainment, and security from a touchscreen panel or smartphone. The motorhome also includes solar panels, large battery storage, water tanks, and off-grid power capability, allowing you to live independently for days or even weeks without external connections. Under the hood, this massive motorhome is powered by a powerful Scania diesel engine designed for heavy transport vehicles. It produces massive torque, which is necessary to move such a large vehicle, especially in off-road conditions. Despite its size, the driving cabin is modern and comfortable, featuring digital displays, camera systems, navigation, and advanced driver assistance systems. Safety features include multiple cameras, parking sensors, stability control, hill assist, emergency braking, and lane assistance systems. Driving such a large motorhome becomes much easier thanks to these smart technologies. Overall, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a luxury home on wheels designed for adventure, exploration, and ultimate comfort. It combines off-road capability, modern technology, and luxury living into one massive machine that can travel almost anywhere in the world. This motorhome is perfect for long-term travelers, adventure families, digital nomads, and luxury explorers who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. The future of luxury expedition travel has officially arrived, and it looks absolutely incredible. Thanks for watching Wheeloscopy.